In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to top up your Payoneer card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what settings to adjust, and how long it takes for the balance to appear on your card. First, a quick heads up on what top up means here. You're enabling your Payoneer card to receive funds from your Payoneer balance. This is useful if you want your available balance to be spendable on your physical or virtual card for purchases, subscriptions, or ATM withdrawals, depending on your card's terms. Make sure you're signed in on the official Payoneer website or app and that your connection is secure. Start by logging into your Payoneer account. On the main dashboard, look for the Pay section. This is where payment related controls live, and it's the starting point for managing how your funds move. Next, open your card settings. Go to your cards and select the specific Payoneer card you want to top up. You'll see a side arrow icon next to the card. Click that arrow to open the detailed view for that card. This expands the card's controls so you can access the settings we need. Inside the card view, head to the Options menu. In the bottom right corner, you'll find the three dots icon. That's your card's More Options menu. Click it to reveal additional settings that aren't shown by default. From there, choose Top Up Settings. You'll see an option labeled From Top Up. Turn this option on. Enabling this tells Payoneer to allow funds to be added to your card balance from your available account balance. If you're managing multiple cards, double check that you're adjusting the correct one before proceeding. Now save your changes. Click Save to apply the new setting, and when prompted, hit OK to confirm. This locks in the preference so the system can process the top up. After saving, give it a moment. Payoneer indicates that the balance will be added to your card within 3 to 5 minutes. In most cases, it's quick, but timing can vary slightly. If your card view doesn't update right away, simply refresh the page or revisit the card screen after a few minutes to see the new balance reflected. And that's it. Your Payoneer card is now successfully topped up and ready to use. Keep your login details secure, avoid sharing sensitive information, and you'll be good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Payoneer tips and tutorials.